What's up? It's your girl Staj Loaf and I'm back with another video.
Hey guys, it's Desmond here. Welcome back to Stage's channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
In today's video, I'm just going to be talking to you guys about this new unit that I'm rocking. It is from Westkiss Hair and it is their Brazilian, I don't even know. Let me actually look. This is the 24-inch 13x4 medium cap size, 180 density, dark 99J. Deep wave, body weight. This is a deep, something deep. But yes, I'll get the specs and the details for real below. The wig came in this really cute Westkiss box. It did come a bit beat up. Last time I got my order, it just came like in a bag with inside of a bag and sent. So this is nice to get a box. It's a cute little pink and white box. It came with a cute little Westkiss bag. It also came with a elastic band. It came with stocking caps in the color brown. The wig itself came in this long plastic bag with labeling on it, as well as a cute little card to tell you how to maintenance the wig, and it tells you, to go to their website. So it's pretty nice. In reference to the construction of the wig was constructed really nice. The first order I ever made with Westkiss Hair, I got a large thinking that they would be running small. The medium cap that I have on fits perfect. It does have two combs on the inside on top of like the temples, sort of kinda, and it has a comb in the back as well towards the nape. I did cut off some of the extra lace, and the lace does come in this kind of like, to me, off gray brown color. The hairline is perfect. I'm going to show you guys clips where you can see that the hairline was actually pretty nice. It's not very rounded. It comes in and out like the natural hairline of someone's scalp, which I really appreciate. I did add some foundation, and the parting space on this wig again is 13x4, so it's a 13x4 frontal to make this wig. But the space to me is longer than that. And I got a big forehead, so I'll pull my wigs up a bit. But overall, like, the wig is beautiful. I had minimal shedding. I will show you guys the shedding that I did pick. This color, you guys, it's so perfect. Especially if you're really wanting to try color, but you don't want to go too bright, such like that. So I'm working my way up because, honey, I'm going to be summertime fine. I'm going to try some color this summer. I'm going to try blondes. I'm talking about 613 blonde too, y'all. Westkiss Hair hooked me up. Like, they really hooked me up. It feels so good. It's not too tight. I have breathing space. I have bold hold, and I used to use Ghost Bond, so I used bold hold this time, and it actually did really good. I did 4 layers, and then I blow dried it on cool with each layer until it was clear, and then I placed the wig on. So the first time, this is my first time doing the bald cap method with this wig, or with any wig. Maybe my second time, but this is like the first time I actually did it how I saw them do it on YouTube. I added the foundation, and then I layered the glue, and I made sure I spread it out, blow dried it, and then added each layer till it made 4 layers. And this was also the first time that I actually put a wig on without cutting the lace off first. Like, I cut the lace off after I had adhered the wig to my head, and I don't normally do that at all, and I think I did an okay job. The hairline did come plucked, but it didn't come like super plucked. I do kind of wish I went in and plucked it some more, but I think that I did okay. Like, I added some makeup because, again, the wig had this kind of like, the lace seemed kind of like, had this gray tone. It didn't look like it until you put it on your head. But this is my initial review of my Westkiss 24-inch 13x4 180 density 99J, the dark 99J deep wave wig. This is a deep wave. That's what this is. Deep wave. Deep wave. Deep wave, y'all. If y'all didn't hear me, I didn't say it in the beginning. Deep wave. The one part, now if I had to pick out anything, the one part that I don't really care for are the ends. Like, I noticed it when I first got the bag. Fresh out the bag, like, the wig, the ends seemed a little, and I don't know if this is because they had to color them, but I do feel like eventually I'm gonna have to clip these off. I'm gonna like respray it and stuff, and add some curl product. I didn't add anything to this hair. I don't have any product in this hair, just water, and I kind of like tied it up a bit and then let it air dry. And then because I had it in like a curled knot, I left to go do my friend's makeup for her photo shoot, and then I came back, did my makeup, and now I'm here. So it has dried out a bit, but this is like a really pretty curl. Like, it's pretty much dry. I love this. I love the fit. I love the curl. I love the length. Let me show you guys how long it is. I am 5'7", okay? Okay, so it comes to like basically, without stretching it, it comes a little past my waist, and then with stretching it, it comes to the very top of my hip. So that's cool. The wig had minimal shedding. The hairline is pretty much pre-plucked. You guys, I tried to do the wrap setting lotion baby hairs. So I put the wrap setting lotion after I had adhered it to my head, and I used the wrap setting lotion, and I did my baby hairs, and I cut them, and you know, I redid my baby hairs and I cut them, and then I let them dry. Now they're dry right now, and they say you're supposed to like comb them out so they don't look so like stiff, but I don't think I'm gonna comb them out. I think I'm just gonna let them come out on their own. I used my hot comb to kind of smooth out the top of the wig, and I used my wax stick and I added a little bit, so that's why you see a little bit of sheen. When I initially was hot combing it, it did kind of give that, you know, this thing that the girls like. This. There we go. Right? Isn't this what the girls like? It did do that. Okay? It did it. I'm happy it did it. But I don't know how to keep that. So I think I need to like hot comb my hair back, right? And then kind of like train it to like come like that, right? I think that's how you do. I think that's what the girls do. I think that's what I be seeing the girls do. So I'm gonna get used to that. But this is my first time doing, for real, like the real deal bald cap method. Take your time, add your makeup, do your glue. And it's my first time applying the wig while the lace is on. I was patient. Usually I'm not patient like that. Like, I am ready to blow dry and like, but I will definitely be doing the cutting the lace after the wig is on your head, because that helps your hairline. Like, I have a weird hairline, and I also cut off a little bit of my like facial hair and like real peach fuzz that's kind of around my hairline, and I made sure I cleaned up with alcohol, because you don't want any oils and stuff. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed watching my entire process from unboxing to installing this wig and seeing how it turned out. I certainly will keep you guys updated on the wig if you're wanting to know how it's been performing. This is my first day wearing the wig, but so far so good. Again, I did have that little bit of shedding, and I don't really care for the ends like that, so I'll keep y'all updated on how the ends do as well as the shedding. I know this hair is pre-dyed, so I did have to wait about 7 days for processing before the wig was shipped from China to here. No coronavirus, but the color hasn't seeped on like my shirt. Y'all will see that I wore a different shirt earlier when I was putting on the wig. It didn't seep on that either, and this is when I sprayed it and stuff. I'm ready. It's a whole mood. This wig just hit different. Okay? I can't believe I was even on camera with like a balding wig cap on. Like, usually I would have just skipped that part and showed y'all me putting the wig on, but I was giving it to y'all. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment box below and tell me what you think. I want to thank you guys so much. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I drop a video. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, a returning Loaf Gang member, thank you so much for coming back. But if you just keep popping in just to see what I'm working with, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? And in the meantime, why don't you go ahead and check out, you know, one of my videos right here, or right here, or right here, wherever it will be. Just go ahead and hit that video. But I thank you guys so much for watching. New Loaf Gang members, OGs, I will see y'all in the next video. Gang gang.